For over 10 years, my girls and I were kama'aina in Hawaii. Kama'aina means literally child of the land, but more concretely, from what I understand from my Native Hawaiian friends, it is the sense of I am a child of that which sustains me. I have a kuleana, a responsibility to malama, to care for not only the land, but those that I share the abundance with. And it is with that spirit that my girls and I watched with horror the unfolding of the wildfires in Maui, as I imagine many of you did. And we've been really grappling with what we can do to support other families there, especially other children, other young adults. And so in reaching out to the Girls and Boys Club of Maui, we, in partnership with them here in Arizona, have collaborated with a group of over 300 mothers and daughters to put together what we're calling backpacks of hope. These are backpacks that include some school supplies as well as some personal hygiene supplies for children ages 9 through 17 that the Boys and Girls Club of Maui serves. But more importantly, it's including letters of encouragement handwritten by girls of the organization that I'm part of here in Arizona with my daughter, Kaia, and we're handwriting that for the children of Maui. So letters of encouragement from child to child, letters of encouragement from moms to moms, family members to family members, to support those with a sense of care, compassion, hope, and encouragement in a time of unimaginable loss. We're at a challenging point, though, because as we're putting together all of these backpacks of hope, as we're calling them, we need help with supporting the shipping to Hawaii. Many of you who have ever lived there know the cost of shipping anything to Hawaii can be quite extreme. And we are looking for partners or individuals that may find it in your hearts to actually support the shipping. We can only do so much as we have the shipping dollars to support all the efforts of the girls and the moms in the community. I'm hoping by sharing this with you that you might find it within your heart to extend your generosity and your care to help more youth in Maui receive these backpacks of hope. And if they've lost everything, their homes, their schools were burnt to the ground, the Maui Boys and Girls Clubs are shut down, even outside of Lahaina, due to the state of emergency. There's so much unimaginable loss. Let this be your way of showing in a tangible way that you're supporting the youth in finding hope again and connecting heart to heart. Thank you for considering this.